Good morning, dear students. My name is Kumar Gaurav. I welcome you all today. As you know very well, I have already taught you about conjunction. The first part of conjunction, we have already discussed that. I have told you about the conjunction and types of conjunction. Then I have told you about kinds of coordinate conjunction. You know, coordinate conjunction. Now I am going to tell you about next topic about that subordinate conjunction. Subordinate conjunction. Do you know, student, what is subordinate conjunction? What is subordinate conjunction? You have to study about it. So before studying about it, we have to try to know about what is this. Okay, what is this? What is subordinate conjunction? We have seen that, we have studied that coordinate conjunction always makes one sentence, that is compound sentence. But this conjunction, what it makes? It makes always complex sentence. What is complex sentence? Okay, with the help of subordinate conjunction, we can make any complex sentence with the help of simple plus simple equal to complex. Okay, this complex is always dependent. This not independent, it is always dependent. One clause to another clause, it will be dependent. Okay, subordinate clause is always dependent to principal clause, dependent on principal clause. In this way the sentence will be called complex sentence or depending sentence. Okay, you can say that depending sentence or complex sentence. So you can write down here. You can write down subordinate it is dependent sentence or clause. Okay, it is dependent or sentence or clause. Okay, in this way you can say that it always makes complex sentence. It makes complex sentence. Okay, so what are the things, what are the words we are going to study in this, and by which way we can study? Okay, you have to discuss, you have to know about that. First we know that conjunction of time. Conjunction of time. Okay, then we can say that conjunction of region. Okay, look at this. First we have conjunction of time, second we have conjunction of region, and next we have conjunction of place. You can say that conjunction of purpose, Okay, conjunction of purpose, conjunction of result you can also make. Okay, result and conjunction of condition. Okay, note down it. These are the conjunction we have to study in subordinate conjunction. Okay, in subordinate conjunction. Note down it. Two more I am writing here. Conjunction of, you can say that, conjunction of comparison and conjunction of contrast. Okay, conjunction of contrast you can say that, and conjunction of comparison you can say that. So note down, these are the conjunction we have to study to make any kind of complex sentence. Simple plus simple equal to complex you can make easily, and in this way you can understand the topic of this. And it is a type of dependent sentence that is called complex. It is also called dependent sentence. Okay, and in this way you can say that this subordinate conjunction always makes one sentence that is complex sentence. Okay, so with the help of this we are going to study in detail about the conjunction. Clear? Note down it. And then I hope you have noted it. Have you completed? Now we are going to study about conjunction in detail, one by one. This conjunction, it always makes one sentence that is complex. Okay, I am writing here simple plus simple equal to complex. Note down it. Conjunction of time. Conjunction of time, what are the words which always focuses which always express the time? Okay, you know, that is before. You have already studied about it before. It is a type of conjunction. It always makes complex sentence, and it always makes express the time. After, you can say that. Okay, you can say that after, as soon as, you can say that as soon as, and you can also say that no sooner than. It is also, you can use in the negative sentence. When we make negative sentence of as soon as, you can use no sooner than. Okay, so there are some words which always express the time. Okay, with the help of this you can make before, time, as soon as no sooner than. Clear? So note down it. Before, how can you make with the help of before? Can you make any sentences? Any kind of sentences you can make with the help of before? I hope you can. Okay, I am trying to say you about that. I have done my work before my father comes at home. Okay, look at this example. I have done my work before my father comes at home. Hmm? So in this way we can say that this type of sentence, this type of word always focuses that this is called complex sentence. This combined one simple sentence, I have done my work, my father comes at home. Second simple sentence, when we add both with before, it is called complex sentence. Okay, and in this sentence we have to find out sentence is which sentence is subordinate clause and which is principal clause. So definitely you can say that uh, my father comes at home before my father comes at home. Okay, so this sentence is subordinate and this is principal clause. So in this way you can say that this is depending sentence and complex sentence. Okay, depending and complex sentence, note down it. Have you noted? Okay, you can make more example of this. Next example, my younger bro brother has taken my pen before I get up. Okay, my younger brother has taken my pen before I get up. So in this way we can say that this sentence and this sentence added by before. Okay, this sentence is principal clause and this sentence is, sorry, this is subordinate and this is free. Free means principal. Principal is always free. Okay, principal is always free. So you can say that this principal, I mean this principal clause and this is free clause. Okay, my younger brother has taken my pen before I get up. This is subordinate clause. Okay, this you can understand this subordinate clause is just like a teacher. Teacher is not always free, you know, and principal is always free, you know. In this way you can say that. Okay, so there is no any foundation on principal and there is a lot of foundation on this subordinate clause. Okay, this is depending on this. Okay, teacher is depending on principal. Okay, so in this way you can understand this subordinate clause is always dependent on principal clause. So it makes complex sentence. This sentence complex sentence. Clear? So note down it. And I have seen, I we have discussed about that before. This is expressing time, and after that we have another word, that is after. Okay, note down it first. Have you noted? Okay, next example, with the help of after we can use that. My father has come after I go. Look at this sentence. After I go, my father has come. My father has come after I go. So in this way, this sentence is showing that this is complex and time. When my father has come after I go. Okay, after I go. So this is time, and with the help of after you can make sentence. Okay, you know Harry, you know very well about the Harry. You don't know Harry about. Yeah, Harry has completed his work after I send him my copy. I send him my copy means after I send him my copy, Harry has completed his work. Okay, so in this way, this after is showing that this is expressing that time. Okay, I hope you understand about this concept of conjunction of time. Next, we have as soon as. You can make as soon as. We have this type of sentence, as soon as. Look at this. So as soon as, if you want to meaning of this in Hindi, जैसे, okay, as soon as I came, you started to study. Okay, as soon as I came, you started to study. You started to study means there is time. As soon as I came means you know very well about that, the meaning of this. I came, you started to study. This is called subordinate. Subordinate, and this is principal clause. Okay, this make complex sentence. Complex sentence. I hope you understood the time means conjunction of time. It is very important to know. Okay, note down it. Have you done? Okay, very good. So in this way we have discussed about the conjunction of time today. Next day we will discuss about more about the conjunction about and you have to make a lot of sentences with the help of as soon as. Okay, if you want to make this sentence into negative and don't want to change the meaning of this, you can use there no sooner than. Okay, suppose I am trying to see you, suppose there is a sentence, the same sentence I'm trying to tell you, no sooner than. This is past indicative tense. We have used did I come. Then you started to study. This is the sentence. The meaning of the sentence will be same, but the form of the sentence is different. This is affirmative, this is negative. Meaning is same. The same way I have told you, this is called transformation. Okay, this sentence has been changed into this sentence in negative, but meaning has not been changed. Okay, as you know very well, as you study direct to indirect, the sentence will be same, means the sentence from direct it will be indirect, and but meaning of that will be same. Okay, and voice active to passive voice in this way the same thing. Okay, have you noted it? So I hope you understood about the conjunction of time. I have told you about how you can make, and one word that is you can make whenever. Whenever. Okay, whenever. Whenever you study, you feel good. Okay, whenever you study, you feel good. It is also expressing the time. Okay, so in this way we can use whenever. Any word it expresses the time, it makes the conjunction of time, means subordinate clause, makes complex sentence. Clear? I hope you know very well about that. And in this way we have completed one topic today, and we have done what is the concept of subordinate conjunction and how we can make it. So with the help of conjunction we can study clause. Okay, so thanks for it today, and have a nice day. See you tomorrow with next part of this. Take care. Bye bye.